Hi all, my name is Paul and welcome to MC Adventures. This is my channel. It's going to be about motorcycles, traveling, camping, maintenance, you name it, anything to do with motorcycles. I just love motorcycles. I've had about 20 of them, just one at a time, but anything from Harleys to Hondas to Yamahas. I've had just about every one of them. Cruisers, off-road bikes, speed bikes. I had a Yamaha Z1. That thing would go 150. But anyway, that's not for me. Right now I have a Royal Enfield Himalayan. Let's go take a look. And there she is. Picked this up a little while ago. And this is my favorite bike of all. It has 411cc engine, and it goes fast enough for me, and as you can see, you can pack a lot of stuff on there. So as my channel grows, I'll add more equipment, but for now, just welcome to the channel. Hope we can have some fun. Hope this incites you to get out and have some adventures of your own. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll have some more videos up soon.